Core started as an idea. We saw an opportunity broadly in the resource space. There was just not enough startup activity. There was not enough new SMEs, not enough new technology coming through. The numbers were substantially low. And so the opportunity was, how do we create more innovations, more startups, and support those startups to grow in this great industry for WA and for Australia?
The vision for Core really is to make it as easy as possible for companies that are wanting to work with the resources and energy industry to make those connections, to connect in, whether it's through the programs that we run or co-locating in the spaces that we have across the country, and really provide those opportunities where otherwise they might not be present to make those connections and create new business opportunities.
Our focus has been on helping founders to be able to build both capacity and capability that they can use to take their business forward and continue to demonstrate resilient growth in the future when everything is changing around them.
The Core platform allows businesses to leverage from one another to develop new technologies for safer and more efficient mining processes.
Core really acts as a connector of the ecosystem for startups, founders, industry professionals, as well as the bigger companies out there that are working in the industry and have worked in the industry for years. It's really great to connect with those professionals and find out their pain points and see how we can introduce new technologies and innovate.
Core is different because they have established a national ecosystem that enables suppliers such as CommitWorks to innovate and collaborate with researchers, other suppliers and other companies.
One of my favourite things about Core is the strength of the community and the support for small business owners and entrepreneurs. There's so many people in the community with different skill sets, and there's always someone there to support you with the current problem that you're facing, which is a really important part of the community.
I think Core is set apart because it's more for later stage businesses. So I'm aware there's a whole range of programs to develop and support businesses as they grow.
I was accepted into an accelerator program here in Perth, but I turned it down because I realized that the content and the workshops that they were providing were already given to me during the Core Start program and the Core Hot 30 program, and I didn't need to actually go through the accelerator to gain the same information.
Mets Ignited are proud of the growth that we've seen with Core over the years. They bring that skill set really necessary to bring the right stakeholders together to commercialise technology and bring about that right atmosphere for innovation and development of technology.
The power of Core is that startups need industry, industry needs startups and universities, universities need startups and industry, and the government needs all these players to collaborate. So the power of Core is it's a hub that brings all these players together.
Over the next 2 to 3 years, I think we're going to really see a big change in how mining energy companies and the whole supply chain are connecting with entrepreneurs, innovators and SMEs to help them co-design and solve their challenges. And I'm really excited about Core's role in how we support that to happen into the future to really help accelerate and drive that change.